Class stand, we are standing up. Greetings, good day to all Sierra Leoneans. Whatever outside you there, this is the program called Love Salon and Left by that. Me where they talk to Unamina Adebayo. Me people in the salon today, the 8th of July 2021. Me people I get a very important message for Una again. And I can always tell Una say, if we sleep, we wake, nothing not happen. Let me tell Papa God thank you. The people in the salon today, I get 3 messages for Una again. Mumpo make but and tuna no say that story with the pool. We go continue for pool the story where people they want for yegi. And we go continue for say the things that where people they want for know. And tuna no say, now we get the mandem inside the mandem. Sierra Leoneans, today na a brand new day. Today, I want to remind Sierra Leoneans into so many things today. And I want to tell the government today, say, we the people of Sierra Leone, we don't develop, we don't prepare. We the people of Sierra Leone, we not forget anything again where they happen in that country. And for anybody who do bad, we go make sure say we do the same bad way it do to the people of Sierra Leone. Enough is enough. It don't tell where people in the hot Sierra Leone and they go scot-free. It don't tell where people in the damaged Sierra Leone and they go scot-free. It don't tell where people in the wicked Sierra Leone then they go scot-free. But this time around, no politician, nobody, no they can hurt the country, no they can wicked the country, no they can do bad thing at the country that we left family go scot-free. Where that make politicians then, bad people them, then they come and misuse the country, abuse the country, and do bad to the country, they send above it go left. Anybody will get that initiative there now, or anybody will believe that thing they say, ain't go hurt the country, it go scot-free, now mistake they make. I want to make Sierra Leone and rest assured. Sierra Leone don't come out to say been there. Sierra Leone a different playing ground field right now. But the time go come, and in not far, when the people of Sierra Leone get for understand wetin Adebayo they say and wetin Adebayo they talk. Because I want to make everybody understand. I want to make everybody sabi. I want to make everybody know. And I want to make every Sierra Leonean know wetin dey pa and sabi wetin dey pa. We see so many things that might happen. I tell Sierra Leonean them say, God, you don't want them mistake. And for anything where God they do, you know they guessed. Now when they see the reasons why God not be around, and I put mommy cost at the Bible or Quran, saying a bad thing. Now because he no say that I like it here again for happy. And everybody will fight. Then you fight for him people them. God must give you something where they fight with. We all see the prophets there. David, ordinary fact, and stone, then God gave. Jesus Christ, the miracle, magic, then God gave. Moses, we all see what he gave, ordinary walking stick, is serving people them. Me today, now mommy cost that God give me for serve me people in that country. And the mommy cost the work. And I want to tell you now how this mommy cost impacted. Today we all see what will be the happen in parliament. This thing be the happen. But one day people will not be known in that country. But when a consistency they cost the parliamentarian them mama them. Today we all don't see the loopholes, the problem, waiting they go on in the parliament. This is the thing, this one at the talk. Anything where they happen, come and talk to the people. Radio station them there, newspaper them there, BBC there, Al Jazeera there. American Embassy then na Sierra Leone, British High Commissioner then na Sierra Leone, New then na Sierra Leone, where every side for let complain. You go let that complain there, let the complaint reach outside for reach. Today we all see Duncan de Yunkela. They talk say all them proposals when they count as parliamentarian in a parliament. They know they even allow an at the Gazette. Because when you count proposal, any budget you count or anything, they never go to first for go Gazette. They know they even print them. They say Abbas Bundu and they do all this. But Kande Yunkela, if I'm not being caused to mama them, una for tell we the people of Sierra Leone, no. Why? Because you be the guy 20,000 per day when they give you. Put in an organization there. Una left already APC, then they suppress them in parliament, una not been the talk. Now you want to come out and talk. Now you say they come now on social media for they come talk to the people, let the people understand. Kande Yunkela, I want to tell you, say the social media not an autocracy there. You have a proper democracy now in the social media. I'm the king. Now proper democracy now in the social media. So if you say now, you like come take the social media now, you welcome. But I welcome you first for caution, first for let you know say when you dey cancel now on social media. Like now you don't talk and say you like come on social media for can't talk now the things them where they happen for the people of Sierra Leone. That's why they welcome you. You know why they welcome you? Cause you mama, where you can not of can talk a lucky talk. Where you can not of can condemn the past governments. The past governments they don't pull them because of the lapses they where they do. Now, when you they come, so can't talk the issue, can't say the things that where they happen now social media, can't show the things that where this government they do were bad. You can the Yunkela, everything where they happen so that parliament, you are the causer, you are the brain box. Why? When the SLPP starts their alaki, you come out. You say that junta government, you blast. Now that's road day for me, don't team up. Now that road day for me don't stand. That for me don't make you a better politician at that country day. This parliament where you go, now they go misuse all your opportunities then. That now Boku talk lao bongo fought now you be there for social media. Then you be there tell the people of Sierra Leone about change. Well now we need the change. If you say you they come back to the social media, how you confuse people them, but change, you they come back for tell the people of change, now we need change. Now we need the topic them now. And now you for can't tell we, not can't tell we, but what the past government we don't do. No, not to them they pan rule, not to them they pan kill, not to them they pan thief. Come and talk the issues them. Now you they make Bintu money. Then it's bright tell you when the chairman of your party say let you not go there. You take you go to Bintu money. So that means say you they snitch, you party, you they be hypocrite to your supporter, your people that will vote for you. This is the fact, Kande Yunkela. So if I not be cost to na mama them, we are not for me tell you say na Abbas to get the problem. If I not be cost to na mama them, we are not for can't talk na social media where you know they can't talk to. Right? So if you say now they can't na social media, for can't talk now to the people them, and they welcome you, but you for no say, yeah, Ben not there, not straight to the point. And yeah, when they come, you can pull it. That direct topic there that they need na yeah. So let's tell you this, and I will let you know, and I want to make you sabi and let you understand. Sierra Leoneans, let we stand up and focus, and let we pay attention for 2023. Sierra Leoneans, today I want to remember Marcela Samba. We all know the money where European Union don't give. They don't write everything waiting for right, they don't hand over and to neck. And they remember Sierra Leone and this, and they remember parliamentarian and this, and they remember new, and they remember NAC and the government. Let them know, say, we the people of Sierra Leone, we don't prepare. Marcela Samba, the laws of the land, the constitution of Sierra Leone tell we say, and the NAC constitution tell we say, 6 months before election, every citizen wey go for take part for that election for don register. Sierra Leoneans, 6 months before election, every citizen wey for vote for don register. Mind you, why make I dey ask this topic today? Now for let the European Union and Marcela Samba, then we don't propose everything and right time to neck. 30 they neck they can drag their foot and they can drag their foot. They don't want for calm, they want for delay. Now they want to know what they want delay for. But me understand what they go on, but I know they reach that side at the time no reach it. For that go day. But June don't pass. We not hear anything na radio station. Marcela Samba for begin raise the issue there. Now July we dey pass so. And they don't tell we say 6 months before elections, all citizens wey for votes for don register. My people now July we dey pass so. Local council election na June. Then a local council election next year 2022. Now by right, we for expect now say registration for their own by July, August, September. Registration for done. By December to January, everybody, every voter for don't take in ID card and all are now in hand. By June, by February, March, April, all year now na campaign. By June, people go select who that they want. But today, na July 8th, na July they pardon so. Nothing like that na radio station we know they Marcela Samba, they were in charge of this thing. We know anything. Then they talk on radio. No. So when they get for register people them? How they get for register people them? So we love Salon, they raise the attention of the people of Sierra Leone. Marcela Samba, if not so that, and they begin to go back. Because this is your responsibility. This is your work. Now, UNAT write everything with European and give neck. Over 3 to 4 months, 30 days, neck they drag. And not to them for spend this money. Now, European Union, United Nations, now then get for spend this money for the election. So why this government want for drag this thing? Why NEC want for drag this thing? So we dey raise the attention of the country now, and Parliament for begin ask question. Parliament need for call NEC and ask them question: what is going on about our election in 2022 June? Because by law, by constitution, 6 months before election, registration for done. So by now we expect say registration for their own. But not say we not see any registration. We know the area and no registration. We know the area and no podium. Then Marcela Samba sticking safe. And they do nothing. So we they raise the alarming. Let the parliament aware. Let them know say we the people and we don't ready, we don't prepare for go register. So we dey wait. Now July we dey pass so. And 2022 June, we get local council election. So now it make we dey alert every Sierra Leonean for make you know, and let you sabi, and let you understand. Say this now for happen. Parliamentarian need for ask next question. What is going on now about our election in 2022? This is my other message. This one I want for make the people of Sierra Leone aware and conscious. My other message where I want to give to Sierra Leone and them today. Now it's about the vaccine. But when I tell Salon people and say Salon then I'm hand, then I'm palm, people know they don't understand. I attack this government and I attack the Corona team. Now Sierra Leone say, are the challenging say Nakovac, the particular vaccine where they son in Sierra Leone, it don't expired. And I call for Parliament for let them call Nakovac na Parliament. Let them show whose vaccine will they use son in the country. Now we understand, and after let the government say this vaccine don't expire. But people let me feel say they just want for propaganda. I don't tell you, I say I know the lie pandemic here. I know the guest pandemic. Now, from Nakovac, they don't tell the people of Sierra Leone say this particular vaccine they expire this month or they pass. You know why they do that? Because I don't call the parliamentarian to attention. See, they need for call Nakovac and ask them about this vaccine. For Mac Parliament not call again. Now they come out now and tell the people of Sierra Leone say this vaccine they expire this month where we they pass over in July and people live. Una see how them people are wicked. Now the people that we don't take the one vaccine, the vaccination will be two. How you forget the other one? This government get money for buy vaccine because this vaccine not for free. Now for $8 million, they can lie on people of Sierra Leone say we get corona worse than any other side. Can them lock mosques and church? Can them cow with coffee order for $8 million? When I get for can one and half than the year. Now them people where they can suffer the people of Sierra Leone so today. Now them people where they can suffer wicked perish the people of Sierra Leone today for $8 million. When they $8 million, they can lock mosques and church. Why they lock mosques and church? Now because they know say that is the only institution that go lock. When the whole world go know say them people are they really serious and this sick are really serious and pathetic. If you lock mosques and church, why you not for lock school? If you lock mosques and church, why you not for close offices then? If you lock mosques and church, why you not for close one bar? If you lock mosques and church, why? Dove courts, people in the go to Mabela. Why? People in the Sidona attire base them. Why? Where mosques and church by rights, by law, you not for ban them. That's a one. Two, that the most cleanliness side. Because before you enter the mosque, you get for all al-wala. Before you enter. Before whatever you're going to church, you must go take bath. You must wash before you go church. So this place is the most cleanliness side. When this man come, he can lock him. He can close him. When make me Adebayo, the religious council, the religious leaders in that country, the day I give them respect, they God kill me that day. One respect I don't get for them bastard Piquet again anymore. One simple respect. And by right, to be honest, if the people in the pray behind them, people in the, I doubt you that go get blessing. Seriously. Now ban mosques and church. When people want to do burial, then they lock the church now door, now they pray people. Well, if you lock mosques and church, una where they grumble for Dunke Sali, they not ban philo. Once you not pass 50, una go pray. Any philo una see una the Muslim, una go pray. They say mosques and church, feel not to mosques. So una go there, una go pray. And not stop una say una no pray, una laila to carry. Why sorry, una Dunke Sali. Now feel. Once you not pass 50, you go pray. Nobody not there right for go arrest you na feel. They say mosques and church. So now mosques and church then close. Today they see the religious council alaki people they put press release. This is not about press release. Mother be not powerful past God. Mother be not superior past God. Stop lie. When me kaka self now superior past mother be. And this alaki dog. This alaki bastard pikin. Now him, they can lock mosques and church. Who say people have go pray for the country? Who say people have go pray for fitina? Who say people have go pray for forgiveness? Who say people have go pray on a become Mother Bio vex, he say, people in amongst the church know they pray for them. Mother Bio, not you kind them for pray for. Because you are the most useless and reckless and unlucky president ever Salondo ever get. Not a one of unlucky president ever where Salondo ever get. When they see the level of hypocrisy, then imam and then pastor cost and now see that they come, they make video, then they carry they talk, that not to the action to una for take. If you Mother Bio not consult una, and not recognize una, where United Nations, the whole world, when they're ready for make peace na Sierra Leone, will fight 10 years war. The moral guarantors the way they call for go make that particular peace day na the religious council. Now the head of the religious people and then go make peace. We get peace. Now make when Pakaba come, he expect them. When an Escoma come, he give them more power. He expect them, he humble to them. That they listen and they listen to them. Today, religious council where Mother Bio for listening to. Today now then they listen to Mother Bio. Then they beg her all. Mother Bio don't need for begging to these actions. It disrespect God, it disrespect Islam, it disrespect Christianity, it disrespect religion. Now this Peking, right? Now in Petito the open say na a president we carry. Now this now in Petito open na president for Sierra Leone. Now this now in Petito say Mother Bio na the best president. And not go better for now where open talk that word. Sierra Leoneans, these are the level of hypocrisy. The religious leader they need for call them people and come out and pray. Let them go kill people in Urban mosques. Let's see. Let them go kill people in Bana church. Let we see them out real. This is not about if your Mother Bio no respect you now. If your Mother Bio no consult you now for do what he do. Why una for write letter to them? Why una for consult her? Una call una people and una go on a congregation them. Una go lecture and pray to the people them. Una pray ba. Let Mother Bio in Sojaman and go arrest ba. Let's see them ba. Let Mother Bio set that record ba. Let's see. But when they write letter, they now you tell you now they look into her. He said they look into her. Right? Then Pastor Babu are the most hypocrite and lucky one. Now I say I make audio. Well, this now for let the people of Sierra Leone let them get sense. When they tell Salon people I say for go school now one, for understand now two. Before me go school I no understand, la no go. But la understand. Pastor Mambu, everybody know. I don't cost him mama pass all the pastors in that country there. When they kill people in a Panemba road, I cost Pastor Mambu mama, he not talk nothing. When they kill people in a Tobo, I cost Pastor Mambu mama, Pastor Mambu not say nothing. When they kill people in a McKinney, I cost Pastor Mambu mama, Pastor Mambu not say nothing. But when I cost him, mama now say, they don't lock mocks in church. Why not for talk? Now Pastor Bamboo don't open, they don't talk. Una see the level of hypocrisy. Una know why Pastor Bamboo talk? Because now na church they eat, so they get money. Panema road issue, you know they get money, they no benefit, so you no go talk. McKinney issue, you no go get money there, so you no go talk. Tombo issue, you no get money there, you no go talk. Lonsa issue, you no get money there, so you no go talk. Una see the level of hypocrisy. But today when Madam your church outside they eat money, outside they survive. Now you don't open they can talk. So now see how them people hate the country to the highest degree. This man we say 2020 go be an year of joy for Sierra Leone. We say 2020, a see prosperity in Sierra Leone under Mother Bio government. Today na unlike you see in the country. And not afraid in God, he go come back. E go na kontiti go put alaki de tomo yeman pa we. He say na yeah, then they don't tie Salon destiny. Okay, now you don't pull her now. Salon just the worst. Salon is just the worst. Today what cost him mama them this year? Say well now this don't happen. No, I be no. Say again for can't talk because now they eat when they lock mosques, they lock church. They not go get money again. They not go buy and launch oil again. Una swear don't can pull audio. Una swear they talk to Mother Bio direct. But when Mother Bio they kill people, una ask them what cost him mama if he ever talk. Una ask them if he ever talk. These are the high level of hypocrisy to the man of God then as Sierra Leone. Corona na cancel they not see vision for her. Then they lie power we back. Then believe back as spiritual leader that they say then a prophet that they believe say Corona they salary Mother Bio they lie on them. Corona they don't make no mistake about it. But the one as alive, the one as salon are money making. Now fucking Corona not in Sierra Leone. And the challenge Mother Bio. Me Adeba the challenge jam. Say Corona not in Sierra Leone. And this Corona thing, I swear to God that Mother Bio get for use as excuse. Now make if he left to him, a one for let this Corona date 2023. Like I tell you now this. Now him a one for use. Say na Corona, na Corona, na Corona. I swear by God. So now I make we get for stand up as Sierra Leone and them and stop all that nonsense that already happening in the country. But who that they get for team up the parliamentarian? Who that they bought team up this thing? The chief them. The chief them. These are the most unlucky people back in that country there. Who that they get for team up? The religious council, the journalists them, the civil society, the Marcella Samba, the Asma James them. Now them get for stand up and will have lead them. Now them get for stand up. Then when we don't destroy this country, now them back get for stand up for all fight these fights. But at the challenge this government say not fucking Corona not in Sierra Leone. Today on what they happen. Now the vaccine where this country where me day. When food one for expire 3 months ahead, then they take a care and go to the homeless people and give them let them eat and they give it to them now. But vaccine where don't expire, then they force people them to go take care. Now when I tell them they say this vaccine don't expire, now they say the vaccine they expire this month. So vaccine not there again at the country. So how you let people and go take care? How now want? Because the power soldier man and we don't ready for go ask people they say now by force. But they forget say Mother Bio not be understand the Creole or English way speak. I make a simplerize them, come out to the English way talk. Then the minister will say, well, they boy get sweep on this so. Because then you want to say, and a power president not talk and a lie. Mother Bio not be understand the English way talk. I make a come and sensitize the people them. Say no, not a power. The meaning of that word. It encourage you now, they beg you now, they bleed to alone and take her, but not to by force. And not 2 days, now they put press release say the thing not to by force. Because they know say me know what they know, me sabi what they sabi, me understand what they understand. I make her tell them say they think 3 days above them. But when I tell them, people they know they understand. Sierra Leoneans, the other message when me get for the people of Sierra Leone. Now it's about the Leone Star saga where they can go on. Now the journalists they come at the president and they talk. Say we read this thing on social media will be fixing no more. Now no say all the thing they talk on social media na true. We are not afraid for call me name. We just go straight to the point. Say what thing they buy or talk all the fact and we don't share. Now look what thing don't happen. Now the president don't make them clear. Say no one know that we don't play 4 games, and no one know that we don't play 5 games, and no one know. The people will go give. Now then they get this money. And when I guess what? The captain, the coach, They don't try all level playing gun. They don't go all level for make them make sure say every player benefit from this money. Mother Bio say only the players that will go play na Guinea. And for them player we go na Guinea, now 5 players they get the 100 million. Una hear yo? When Mother Bio open him broad daylight at stadium say each player now 100 million with a plot of land. With a plot of land. They ask them to them. By right, Mother Bio for all of us for blank check. Mother Bio don't say they give blank check to the players. But when you could not count that blank check, the money will get figure. Oh, no, say this a figure. 30 days na that. Mother Biopa always don't add 1,000. The remaining reason why they add 1,000 for suffer the people of Sierra Leone for this money. Now, just because Adebayo blast that and tell the people and say that the reason this will make them add this money now for 7 million people and they can't suffer for 41 people and they suffer the country because Adebayo blast into that. They make them say, oh, Lord, not do again. Lord, we wait first. But these are the purpose, these are the reasons. We make them add the 1,000 for make them raise this money. But just because Adebayo leak the secret, now Mother Bio say, you know what? All the players they will go Guinea. Now them forget by the money. And then player will go Guinea. 5 they get the 100 million. Then the 6 or 7 get forget 70 million. The balance down at 20, 30 million. So in one for do am now, me people live. So this 4.1 billion. Now forget about it. So tell plus minus or 1 billion or 2 billion you get for spend. That's if you get for do am. Because this thing, the story don't beaucoup. The unlucky, but the only advice I want for give. Una the player them. If you then give una tell God thank you. If you not give una tell God thank you. Una pia. This are the country, this for we. Where we all know many players don't go better schools because of their talent. Many players that drop out. Many players are from the streets. God just give them talent and come and play. With the talents today, a whole president of a country, they misuse their integrity. They misuse. These are the reasons we make Adebayo the stand say anybody will not get integrity, the ruler country again. Anybody when a criminal, a poor man, the ruler country again. And I'm glad the way the people of Sierra Leone stand behind me by that particular topic there. And anybody who don't thief that country, they be president and again. Now we make this thing clear. Let light come up on politics. Because you know what? They lighted and kind of power. They can lie back, tell them they go. Line up for big glory in that country. Politicians don't come and lie power, we carry away, go like that. No! These are the reasons we make a stand for the people of Sierra Leone. So me, you start business. If they give you the money, fine. If they not give you the money, una bia. Salon for you. Salon for me. This is the country this what we get. We get irresponsible president because the Alaki where 30 days while they talk to us, so the people who they arrest the wire house. And now we all remember, they just suffer, they not go arrest them all. When a daddy Bobo come out first before he go wire house. When he come out wire house back, he go na other side and the Bobo go lodge. They not arrest people in a lodge. They not arrest people in a Papa Clefo. Now wire house they go arrest people in. Till now they don't want for left them people here. But Sierra Leoneans go stand up very soon. Sierra Leoneans go team up very soon. And this is for choke SLPP. This is for choke them. That if we get for reach day. Somebody called at one time, he said, why make you talk this one? Say, if you matter be okay for reach 2023. Because me know where to no sabi. And what me sabi now they talk. Right? If you get for each day. Today, wow, look man there. And footy cut so today. And I go get also. Where man there and a born pauper. You know, find a point of yourself in a pauper. Pets for mother bio. Today, look at this grace man there. They pa lucky, they pa perish. Stress out not to pauper, and they can lie per se use. But me, who stand. If you say, now you be Laos day, let parliament ask you, say, pull the money. We want for no. Because as president, you know, we just can't no more the bill built in there. They not tell who say you pull the money. No, we need for no, because now pay with the pay you. Now pay with the pay you, but you know, stay here for believe, say, salon people, them, this gone. When we fuck off in a power, one soldier man will help you for guide you. One police, the police will try to kill them. Because they can pay soldier and police for guide somebody will not benefit the country, somebody will not do nothing at the country. Not make this thing clear. Yes, that constitution will the changer. Say anybody will not rule the country fine. There is no way they not forget benefits. There is no way they forget police or soldier for guidance. And again, you not get for Sijon Salon, so that alone know how to read. Mother be not get for Sijon Salon. Again for them all and go greet them, said with one slap. Why they go greet her at the egg. Oh, the Sijon Salon, they pack a slap. Let no segment and me the slapper. But Mother be I promise you this and mark me words today. Me and you get for see 1-to-1. Not on my own power. By the grace of God. And I've been telling Salon people like one thing say, I get for set record in that country. We tell the dunya down, not on the wallow, the dunya up and down. And they set that record, they will tell the dunya end. That history they go ever then at Sierra Leone. Say Adebayo, now this record is set by Madabio. Mark me word. Me and you go for see 1-to-1. The time they can come. And they can come to the show, they see. With the situation, now you, they see me and you. Now that tells a lot of people get for understand who than Adebayo. Now that time people get for know say me are ordained by God. Not to much a man choose me for the way that they do. Now God, I choose me and I appoint me. Let me tell you now one secret today of the SLPP. The biggest problem right now of Madabio, Adebayo not for exist 2023. This are the biggest fights now. Not over to the happy so, not over to the pan talk now. The biggest problem, Adebayo not for exist, not for exist at the world till 2023. You know why? Within themselves. Madabio right now, not get good time with them. First side with them. Justice said they all. You know that time with no. Then don't know more by the name of SLPP. Because Madabio say, bo, I don't form one institution for now for shut Adebayo down. Una no able. We don't spend all kind of money. We don't do all things. The whole country not able put Adebayo, not able shut and down. If Adebayo they under 2023, law na able for election yeah. This the inner core meeting at the Teluna. When I make the biggest problem now, Uda for distract Adebayo na the problem. Then they want Uda go able to distract Adebayo. Uda go able to make Adebayo not talk. Uda go able to make Adebayo not in at the scene in 2023. But I don't tell Madam you say the God will make her and I make me. The God will allow I be president. That the same God allow me to build a bishop. 2023. That if you get for reach the Madam you will feel Adebayo life and direct. This is the pain when they feel me people them. Because they know say the people, the voice of that country today, Adebayo. Now it make they not ever want let Adebayo then at the scene 2023. This is the biggest problem. And not to APC again at the problem, not to any other thing again at the problem. Them believe so okay, let we are APC going to election now. If they beat we, they beat we. But the biggest problem today where they don't get, where all the ministers them right now in that country, the problem where they all get with me, they say me na me make the people don't turn them enemy. They say me Adebayo na me turn the people against them. Sierra Leoneans, it makes sense that particular talk there. How I go make people turn una enemy? If una they do the right thing, the people not go hate una. But if una they give 24-hour lights, why be people from turn una enemy? Una they make road, prices then they down, but transport them there, everything they go on normal. Una they left people, una they seize them right, una they jail people them, una they kill people them. But if I been team up like that, team up so power, now people they turn for me, say nobody, but you know, Lex alone. Like how they as far side the Kutubu will not be Lex alone with all what to be the happiness Sierra Leone, then they condemn. Like how you the mother be you the alpha side, you the kind that you can how not be Lex alone. Una can una lie for people them. Say the former president not do nothing. Una lie for the people them. So man begin believe say an Escoma the highest thief man of the country. This that blah blah. Hey, this way they do so now una right. Okay, now right for long give you light. Where the light? Now right for long give you democracy. Where the democracy? Now right for give you freedom. Where the freedom? Now right for give you liberty. Where the liberty? Now right for make we enjoy free education. Where the free education? Now right for long get water. Where the water? Now right for make road. Where the road? Now right for give you what you want. Free and fair election. Where the free and fair election will take place? Now we ask yourself this question. So now he make the biggest problem for them is Adebayo. When you ask SLPP, what you don't do? Nah, Adebayo, and distract you. How Adebayo distract you? Anybody will take 1 hour for explain what he don't do, he not do nothing. Says by Professor Lumumba. He said you spend 1 hour for saying I may do this, I may do this, I may do. You not do nothing. Allow let the work talk for itself. What do you do? Let talk for you. From where the APC go as opposition. One day we know Yanes Kuruma talk. Now what you do now? They talk for him. Madam, if you work, let the work talk now. Now because you don't work, I make it go and lao buy journalists them, buy civil society, buy radio station them, buy parliament, buy judiciary. With all the money we don't spend on them today, where the benefits you will get? Una the journalists, whose benefit you will get today? Una the civil society there, whose benefit you will get today? Una self-support they pay them money, then they also benefit to go. Now wait till the time that be give na. Ain't no benefit to na. So why we not go join Adebayo for fight this fight? Sierra Leoneans, this is my message. Una stay blessed and God bless Sierra Leone.